we'll skip that part and I'll do it in English. Please, ask a question if you like. My colleague Franz, he speaks perfect German, he's from Austria, and he can, help you if you want to ask the question in German, and he could even explain things in German. My name is Patrick. I've been working with universities for 20 years. The past 10 years I've been working with e-learning. I have in Sweden implemented more than 100 LMS projects with universities and schools, cities in Sweden. I've been working with the frontier learning management systems for many years. Then I started to work for Pearson, and I spent 2 years in Boston. So I was very fortunate to do that, and I've seen a very, very different educational system than what I'm used to in Sweden. So that's a very interesting experience. Now I'm working with a system from Australia, just to make sure I cover most places in the world. It's called Aquella, and I'm going to talk to you here today about a strategy for digital learning resources, which is what we do in Aquella. Does this work? Yeah. So I want to talk to you first about one of our clients that we work with, the University of Nottingham, and the theme of Lebenslanges Lernen. So they think about open resources as a good way of approaching this theme or this idea of Lebenslanges Lernen. YouNow is their open courseware initiative, and we help them in partnership with them to create the kind of the backbone, the infrastructure for this. Here you will find a lot of nice, good resources of different kinds. It could be podcasts or interactive or PDF, text, basically, a lot of interesting courseware. And of course, the idea is that you can, for no cost at all, keep educating yourself. But of course, the university has the idea that if they see this interesting, good content that we have, people will be interested and join a course at our university. So it ties in with part of their strategies in terms of lifelong learning. This is open, so you have the web address there. You don't have time to write it down. Give me your business card and I will send you the presentation afterwards, and you can log in and see what they're doing. So the system that we base this open educational repository on is called Aquella, and it's a digital repository. And you use it to manage digital content. And it could be any content. Mostly it's learning content, research content, library content. And the key here is that you get a single storage point, or a single access point, really, to your content. So what is the problem, really? Why do you want to have this, and what do you want to achieve? And instead of having Aquella in the middle, you could put a teacher looking slightly stressed and confused, because there are so many sources of good content nowadays. We have lecture capturing, we have media servers with videos and streaming content. We have iTunes University, where we put a lot of good content. The course management system, of course, is filled of content not openly available. It sits within the course. It can easily be shared. YouTube, many Web 2.0 resources for content. And there are a number of open educational repositories with great content, but very few teachers have the time to browse the web every morning to find new exciting resources. So to help universities create a strategy around the digital resources that they have and use, we created a system called Equella. We built it together with the Department of Education in Tasmania in 2002, so it's a few years ago now. The system ties in to different resources, and in the system you can then tag all your resources with metadata. I'm not sure what the German word is for learning goals. Would that be? Lernziele. So you can tag all your content to Lernziele, to subjects, authors, sources, type of content, to make it easy to categorize and search and find your content. The system has digital rights management, so what is becoming more and more of an issue is two things in digital rights. One is to protect your own material, to protect your professors, so they can feel safe about sharing their content, and the system will allow you to do that. And the other thing is that the university has to make sure that you comply with copyright, and there are tools in the system to help you do that. And then, of course, the security aspect. You want to some of your content you want to share, like Nottingham is doing in their educational repository. It's being shared with everybody. Some parts you want to have maybe within the university, some parts just for one institution or even a research project who want to have the data to themselves.